In today's episode, we're showcasing a PCB programming jig for one of our 3D printed products. My name is Connor and I'm a mechanical engineer here at Avid Product Development. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at a PCB programming jig that we use for one of the 3D printed products we sell here at Avid. Let's go to the lab and take a look. At Avid, engineering isn't just about designing products, it's about designing tools that make production faster, smarter, and more reliable. When we developed a custom PCB for a 3D printed product, we knew that programming the PCB would be a slow, tedious process with a high risk of failure. So the engineering team designed a programming jig, a simple but powerful tool to make sure that every PCB was programmed correctly the first time. The jig aligns the board with the spring pins, locking it in place, so the technician only needs to load, clamp, and program. The result? Faster cycle times, higher quality, and more repeatable results across every unit we ship. This is what sets Avid apart. Our engineering team doesn't stop at product design. We build the tools that empower our production team to deliver high quality, consistent results to our customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. If you've got any questions, hit us up in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for future episodes. We'll see you in the next one.